Hi guys.
Hi guys.
How are you?
How are you?
Welcome to Naughty Armaan Kid.
Slay.
You wanna play with slime?
Yes.
Why don't you play with toys today?
Slay.
We'll buy slime tomorrow, okay?
Yes.
We will buy slime tomorrow. What is that?
Rhinoceros.
That's a rhinoceros? Okay. What is this? What is this?
It's a giraffe.
It's a giraffe.
A long neck.
A long neck. It's a long neck giraffe. Armaan? What is that?
Giraffe.
Okay.
A big lion.
What is that?
Big lion.
It's a big lion. Okay. Next. What is the next animal?
Oh no.
What do you have next?
A daddy elephant.
It's a daddy elephant.
A baby elephant.
What is that?
Baby elephant.
That's a baby elephant. Okay.
This has 2 elephants.
You got 2 elephants. Next.
Orange bear.
It's a grizzly bear.
This a lazy bear.
It's a Alaskan bear.
So cute.
So cute. Okay. Wow. Elephant.
We have not
2 elephants. It's a mama elephant. It's a baby elephant. Right, Armaan?
It's a grizzly bear.
What is that?
Grizzly bear.
That's a grizzly bear. Superb, right?
There's an alligator.
That's a marmadello.
This is cute.
Is it cute?
Yes.
It's a marmadello.
A big dinosaur.
That's a big dinosaur, Armaan. Oh my god. It's a very big dinosaur.
A frog.
What is that?
Frog.
That's a frog, Armaan.
Frog.
Show it to Papa. Oh my god. That's a nice frog.
This is Stegosaurus.
What is that?
Stegosaurus.
It's a stegosaurus. Wow. Next. What do you have? Show me. What is next animal?
Guinea pig.
What is that?
Guinea pig.
It's a bear. Huh? What is it? Oh my god.
Guinea pig.
Huh?
It's a guinea pig.
Guinea pig. Woo! Yeah. Next. What do you have?
A tiger.
Armaan. That's a cheetah, Armaan.
It's a blacky, right? Cheetah.
It's a cheetah.
It's kiwi.
That's a cheetah.
There's a cheetah.
That's a tiger.
There's a tiger.
That's a cheetah.
Another cheetah.
Another cheetah?
Yes.
Okay.
And put the other here. There's a mother.
Yeah, keep it there. Where is mama cheetah?
This
It's a mama cheetah.
is a baby cheetah.
That's a baby cheetah.
There's another mama cheetah.
Another mama cheetah. Okay.
Another giraffe.
Where is it? Wow, you got 2 giraffe.
Oh, it's a baby long neck. Big long neck. A baby long neck.
It's a long neck giraffe. It's a baby long neck. It's a mama long neck.
It's,
What is it?
it's a baby wild beast.
It's a wild beast.
Wild beast.
Oh my god, that's a wild beast.
It's an ostrich.
That's an ostrich. It's a emu.
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 Yes. That's a emu.
Black and white and brown.
Where is white and brown?
This is how black.
Where is black?
This
Where is white color?
is
Where is brown color?
This.
Where is blue color? It's a green color.
It's a blue color.
Yes.
That's the finger and a zebra.
Oh, zebra is on the finger?
Yes.
Okay. Very nice. Okay, keep it beside the elephant. Keep it beside the elephant, Armaan. Yeah. Yeah, I can't see. Papa can't see this side. Keep.
No.
What is that?
Oops.
That's a wildebeest. Oh my god, what is it?
Two tigers.
You got two tigers?
Yes.
Oh my god.
Scary.
What is it?
Scary tiger.
Scary tiger. Wow.
It's baby and mother.
It's a baby and mama tiger. What is that?
It's a big brother dinosaur.
It's a big another dinosaur. Okay, just keep it next to this. Okay.
No.
Mama, how are you?
How are you?
How are you, Mama?
How are you?
Where is your mama?
This.
Here is the mama. Yes. Where is Armaan? Where is the daughter? Where is the sister? Where is the brother?
It's a baby dog.
That's a baby. Show it to Papa. Wow, that's a baby dog. Baby dog. Okay, next.
Oops. It's you.
What do you have?
The white beast.
It's a wild beast.
Stegosaurus here.
Stegosaurus.
It's a blue color.
Where is blue color? Stegosaurus. Here? Oh my god. Look at this. Stegosaurus. Ew. Armaan, take it. Take it, Armaan. Yes. Stegosaurus.
Roar, roar.
Rah, 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 rah. Wow, rah, 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 rah. Stegosaurus. Where is lion? Oh my god! That's a big lion. Okay, show it to Papa. Show it to Papa. Papa cannot see the lion. Where is the head of the lion? Head. Show it to Papa. Show the head of the lion. I can't see it.
I can see.
You can see it?
You can see.
I can't see it.
I can.
Oh, here is the head. Where is the head? Here is the head. Okay, let me see. Wow. This is a big lion. Where is the frog?
It's a red frog.
It's a red frog. Oh my god. It's a red frog. Jig frog. Blig frog. Dig frog. It's a red frog. Oh my god.
A cheetah.
That's a red frog.
It's a cheetah.
Where is cheetah? Oh my god. It's a cheetah. Whoa.
Roar, roar, roar.
Wow. Armaan, how does cheetah attack the emu? Attack. Yeah. Wow. No. Oh no, save me. Armaan, save me. Save Papa. Save my emu. Save emu, Armaan.
This is an emu.
That is a emu, right?
Emu's scabby.
Emu?
Scabby.
Scabby? What is scabby?
Emu is scabby.
Emu is coming. Okay.
Emu is coming.
Okay. Armaan, say bye-bye.
No,
We play again tomorrow.
it's an elephant.
That's an elephant.
So we had an elephant.
It's a big, big elephant.
It's a small elephant.
It's a small elephant.
Yeah.
Yes.
Bye-bye.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Love you.
Love you.
Bye-bye, friends.
Oh no.
Please like my video.
What's it? This is video.
Please like my video.
This is my video.
Please subscribe.
Please subscribe.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Videos.
Bless me, friends.
Press music.
I am sick today.
I am sick today.
Bless me, friends.
Bless me, friend.
Please pray for me.
Bless is slowly.
Please pray for me.
Okay, good job.
Okay, good job. Bye-bye.